Good afternoon, YouTubers. My name's Trevor. I'm back on the channel, or creating content on this channel. Basically, what I want to do is I want to document my weight loss program. I feel I am overweight. I drink too much. I eat crap basically all the time. I try to stop, but I just can't. I had an incident the other day when I was working at work, working on a truck, and I had to put like a little speaker on the chassis leg of a Mercedes Actros between the wheel and the mud guard, and I had to climb into it and unbolt it, and I couldn't get in. Whatever I tried, I could not get in. Move wheels this way, move wheels that way, sent the suspension up, sent the suspension, I could not get in. And that's when I finally realised that, yeah, I need to lose weight. I'm overweight. I do know that. But these crisps, drinking, I like. Drinking relaxes me after a day's work, hard day's work. But at some points, it was just a Friday, 4 cans on a Friday, finished the week. But then it obviously gradually, it's gone to, could be 4 on a Monday night, then none on a Tuesday night, then 5 on a Wednesday, 5 on a Thursday, 5 on a Friday, nothing on Saturday, nothing on Sunday. And it's getting stupid. You know, I'm well overweight. I just need to lose some weight, get down to a proper target weight that, you know, I'm happy with. You know, I'd like to be about 15 stone. I think I am about 18, 19. So I have got a lot of weight to lose. What I'm going to do is on Monday, I'm going to post this video. And then I'm going to weigh myself Monday morning, and that will be my start weight. I'm gonna post videos possibly once a week, maybe twice a week. I don't know, you know, of my progress. I'm gonna put it on the internet for people to see. I'm not gonna hide behind it. I'll show you the weight, the scales when I weigh in, and I'm gonna cut down on all the crappy foods, chips and stuff like that. I'm going to start eating healthy. I want to eat healthy. I want to become healthy. Also, I'm out of breath. You know, that's another telltale sign that I'm not healthy, and it's not good for your heart and stuff like that. So some of you may like it, some of you may not. Some of you may think, oh, I'm not following this guy. He's just chatting crap. But I want to put it out there. I want to put it on the internet. And I want to, if people are interested and they want to watch it, then feel free. You know, like I say, on Monday morning, I will put this video up on Monday morning, and it will show you my weight as of when I get up, first thing when I get up. I will do it then, and that will be done every week, every Monday morning at the same time. And I will post how much I've lost, how much I've gained. You know, don't get me wrong, I probably will gain weight at some stages, but I want to get down to 15 stone, and I'm determined to do it. I have tried it before, and it did work, but then you get complacent with it and you start to think, oh, that portion of chips won't help me here, a kebab won't help me there, it won't bother me there, but then it's just there, and I just tend to eat rubbish. So I'm going to be looking at healthy options, what I can eat. I do like rice and stuff like that, so I'm going to have a look at that, and vegetables. And also I'm going to cut down on the alcohol. Maybe I'll just have to go back to the 4 cans on a Friday night. I know it's not brilliant, and I know, you know, it's not perfect, but if I do it like that, then, you know, I'm still getting a bit of a treat at a weekend on a Friday night. Stick with us. And if you want to follow the journey, follow the journey. You know, I know some people will probably go, oh, I'm not asked. I don't really want to follow it. I'm not really bothered about people losing weight. But I'm not going to lie. It's all going to be there for you to see. And hopefully at the end of it, I can get down to my target weight. On Monday morning, I'll weigh myself and I'll tell you what weight I am. And then also what's my target weight. I might, like I said before, I might do 1 video a week. You might get 2 a week. It depends, obviously, what's going on in the week. You know, if I find if it's interesting and I think you might like it, then I'll edit it and put it on there for you to see. But what I will do is I will put snippets, possibly on shorts, of what I have for my dinner, what I'm having for my tea. You know, basically stuff like that, to keep everybody interested. But like I say, if you're interested, follow it. If you're not, you're not. I'm not. I won't be offended. But I just want to do it for myself, and I want to get healthier. So, like I say, if you're interested, Monday morning, this video will go on there. Will be on with my weight, as of first thing Monday morning. Thanks for watching. Just a quick one, guys. I love crisps. I absolutely adore crisps. I've just sat here and ate 8 packets of cheese and onion crisps. Now, I could do that every day and not think anything of it. And this is what I want to stop, because they're not good for you. So, see you Monday. Hey guys, morning. Sorry I'm a bit quiet, but everyone's still in bed. It's currently 6:30 in the morning on Monday morning, and it's weighing day like I promised. So let me share with you my start weight on this weight loss program. So as you can see, guys, I'm 18 stone 4. So there you go, guys, 18 stone 4. And my target weight I want to be at, I feel comfortable, is 15 stone. So stay along for the journey and let's see how we do. Thanks. Also, guys, just to reiterate, this is not all going to be about weight loss. If you look at the videos previously posted, it's all about the work I do, because I am an auto electrician. So I am going to start putting some more content like that stuff on. Not just this weight loss program. Obviously the weight loss program will be thumbnailed with weight loss video, part 1, part 2, part 3, part 4. So people who are here to watch that know where to go, and they haven't got to scroll through every single video to see if there's a bit of weight loss in it. But thanks again.